Hello, my name is Huoyi Ya. Today I will teach you some animals in Hmong. These are animals you might find at the farm. Are you ready? Here we go! Pig in Hmong is boa, boa. Chicken in Hmong is gai, gai. Horse in Hmong is nang, nang. Rabbit in Hmong is loa, loa. Duck in Hmong is aw, aw. Goat in Hmong is chi, chi. Sheep in Hmong is ya, ya. Cat in Hmong is me, me. Dog in Hmong is o, o. Cow in Hmong is new, new. Pigeon in Hmong is gua, gua. Turkey in Hmong is gainzi, gainzi. Great job! Thanks for learning with me. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!